Hello students, today's topic is about the physical structures of organism of all living things. As you know, all living things have structures that help them grow, get energy and stay healthy. Sometimes structures can be similar, like here, but the functions is different. The limbs of the animals have similar structure, but they different in functions. Otherwise, we have the similar functions but different kinds of animals. When we say different kinds of animals, we mean the different. For example, this is mammals, this is insect, but here the homologous structures, all these they are in the same group, so the structures is homologous among the organisms. They have similarities. The numbers of the bones, we have some evolutionary structures, but it's just little bit of different. The structure is the same structure, but here the functions is similar while the structure is different. So we are step by step talk about the physical structures, because we have a lot of physical structures among the animals or plants groups. First of all, the structures for support. These structures and others, we have a lot of structures for support. For example, in plant we have stem. The stem is a good and important structure that supports the plant against the outer environment and wind. In human beings, we have endoskeleton. Endoskeletons, it means located inside the body. Our skeletons, our bones, are inside the body, so they are endoskeletons. For example, the skull protect the vital brain organ, and others, all the skeleton support our body to stay in a good posture. In insects, they have the exoskeleton. They have different physical structure for support. They called the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton, it means the skeleton located outside of the body. It is different from the endoskeleton, which is located inside the body. So exoskeleton is a hard shell. This one should be shed off, because it's not like the endoskeleton, which permit the continuous growth of the animals. This one should be shed in the process of the ecdysis. This one should be changed. Also, we have structures for reproductions. As you know, all living things should reproduce from 1 to 2 to 4 to 8, 16, and so on, because reproductions is best way to protect the specific species alive. For example, in plant we have structures for reproductions. For example, here we have flower. Flowers have the petal, the colorful part of the plant, which is the petal. This one acts as a pollinator, as a attract pollinator. So insects like bee came and doing pollinator by the male organ of the plant, which is the anther and filament stamen, this one, that contain pollen, and the female organ, which is the carpel, that consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Inside the ovary we have ova or egg. When these insects doing pollination here, so the pollen transport from here inside the style to ovary, and it reach the ova or the egg. The fertilization occur in the ovary. Then this one lead to produce egg, and then this egg, fertilized egg, lead to produce seed. The seed is a source for a new plant. In animal cells also we have male and female cells for reproductions, the sperm cells and the egg cells. So they both should fertilize, the sperm should fertilize the egg to reproduce and to make a new species. Structures for respirations. Respiration is a vital process among the animals and the plant groups. In humans and other animals, we have lung. We have two lungs. These two lungs have a specific function, which is the exchanging of gas, inhalation of oxygen to the lung, and exhalation of the CO2 or carbon dioxide to the outside of the body. So this one is a good adaptations for our body to do the rules of the respiration. In plants, they have another structure, opening and closing structure. They call stomata. The stomatal cells also have similar function, which is the exchange of gas. So they call stomata in plant. In insects like caterpillar, the caterpillars have spiracles. Spiracles are opening structures that help the gas exchange. We have also gills in fish. The gills also for obtaining the dissolved oxygen from the water and also for the gas exchange. We have also have structures for circulation. The circulation is the process of circulating the fluid inside the living organism. So we have different kinds of fluids. For example, in insect we have we have another type of blood. So in insect is different from humans, and in plant we have just water and nutrients. So here in humans we have blood. The blood contain nutrient and obtain nutrient for the animal cells, which is the oxygen, circulate oxygen and deliver or expel carbon dioxide from the body through the lung. Another structure in the plant, we have xylem and phloem. The xylem transports water from the roots to another parts of the plant, and the phloem transports food, mainly sugar, from the leaves to flowers, sometimes to the roots and other parts of the plant. Okay guys, this is all about this class. Hope all of you got the lesson. You are free to ask any questions, and thank you for watching.